Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today is an unboxing of my first ever Trendmood Box. I bought this a couple weeks ago and all I can tell you is I think it's the Juvia's Place one. I always thought there was just one Trendmood box, but apparently she has one for like all these different things. Anyways, you're coming along with me as I open this box and we get to discover what the heck I just bought. You'll know if you've been subscribed to me and you've seen my other videos that I just organized all my makeup and everything. And so at least whatever I have in here, I'll be able to kind of put it away, hopefully. If you like this eye look that I currently have on my eyes, do check out my other video linked up here about the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. So here we go. I'm gonna open it here. Okay, yes, and it has this wrapping on it, very nice. Ooh, we got something Murad, that's good. I like that skincare. Oh, wow. Stuff, more stuff. NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer. Very nice. Good, more primer with marshmallow root. Trendmood Sponge here by the DMS MD Shop. Okay, really good. Curious how soft that is. Glow Skin Beauty Firm Bio Renew EGF Drops. What is this supposed to do? Formulate to restore, strengthen, and rejuvenate skin. It's a reparative serum. Beautiful. I always love trying serums. I use like 3 serums a day. I mix them all together. If you guys want to see a skincare video, please let me know. I'll be happy to do one. This is the Murad Resurgence Retinal Youth Renewal Serum. I wonder if this is the same one that I got in that FabFitFun box. No, this is what it looks like. I think it's different. But that's usually where I get all my Murad stuff is through Ipsy and FabFitFun. And I really do like it. I have a wonderful like acne cleanser from them and it just, I don't know, it's minty or tea tree oil or something. And it just leaves your skin so fresh and tingly. Okay, so we got a few more things going on in here. We have here Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. Pore cleanser, skin renewal exfoliant, skin brightening glow, clarifying peel. Okay, so that's a peel. That's very interesting. Next up, we have Juvia's Place Glass Gloss. It's electric. I know there were options for like 2 different glosses. I really hope this isn't the clear one. I hope this is the one that has like some sort of pigment to it. Let's see here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't think I have something like that. It's electric. Yeah, let me swatch a little bit of that. I don't have any Juvia's Place gloss. Oh, that is goopy. Ah, it smells like icing sugar. Nice. I'd put it on now, but I don't think it would really match my vibe going on here. My stoned vibes from the other video. Next is Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara by e.l.f. Perfect, because I just fixed my drawers. Video coming soon about that. And I think I might have 30 mascaras, like 30 different brand mascaras. So that's great. But you know what? I've never tried e.l.f. mascara, so that is actually kind of good. I do want to give them a try. And they're crazy affordable, so that would be good for that to be an option. And then I have here the Taupes by Juvia's Place. This is the palette here, and don't have a Juvia's Place palette. The hundreds of palettes that I have and don't have one by Juvia's Place. But I've heard amazing things about them. I know the day of my wedding, my makeup artist used the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and she used a Juvia's Place palette. I don't know if it was this one, but it was like a neutral taupey kind of palette. So maybe I'll message her and see which one it was. But as soon as I saw those 2 that she pulled out, I was like, okay, I'm in good hands right now. So this is it right here. Good, nice, it's cardboard. I appreciate that. Oh, bye-bye. What do we got here? Oh, very nice. That is very wearable. Let's bring that closer to you guys. That is really nice. I'm gonna swatch that top row there. Do they have names? No, they don't have names. That's surprising. Just those top 3, just to show you again. I'm going from that way to that way. What's going on here? Again, I do my swatches really lightly. I'm not trying to destroy the pan, you know what I mean? Let me do it one more time. There we go. That's nice. Again, like I said, I don't go very hard into my swatches. And if you're putting eye primer and various things, it will show off a little bit different. But again, not meant to be like screaming loud, but that is really pretty. This one right here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like a little bit of pink glitter in it. There we go. That's better. I appreciate the fact that you can build them up. I like that. That, and I think that glitter lip gloss that I just got will go really nicely with this. And there we have it. That was my Trendmood box there. So there was some pretty good stuff. We got some skincare, we had the lip gloss, we had a palette, a sponge and everything. So you know what, that was pretty good. I think I essentially bought that for the palette because we don't sell Juvia's Place here in Canada, or at least if we do, I've never seen it. It's not in our drugstores or the Walmarts or in Sephora and things like that. So we don't have Ulta here, and I've always wanted to kind of dive into it because people rave about it. Obviously, there'll be a video on that coming up very shortly, and I do want to try out all this new stuff that I've gotten. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay subscribed. So that's it for this video. It was a nice short one, and thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's awesome. Please make sure to like the video and consider subscribing if you like the content that you're watching. YouTube should be recommending to you some other videos of mine that you are sure to love. I have a lot of other unboxings, makeup tutorials, and some hair tutorials as well. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everyone!